So today I'm going to be showing you how we took this little normal electric fireplace. I think my sister may have got it from Walmart or something. How we took it and just completely transformed it. You can totally do this yourself. It was not difficult at all. We just had a plan, everybody had a job, and the execution was chef's kiss. It turned out so beautiful, and this is gonna be such a staple piece and such a important part of my aunt's new cafe. If you're familiar with Yulee, Florida, then you know there's not a lot of stuff right in town like this. So it is going to be a little cafe, and they're gonna have a drive-through. It is right next to the train tracks. So if you're familiar with that area, you will probably know where that is. A bright yellow building. She was able to paint the building yellow, and it just stands out. It's in the perfect area. So if y'all are in that area, please check it out. I will see y'all in the next video. Comment below, let me know what you think of this, and goodbye. Okay, here's all the wood we're working with today. So this is a 12-foot board. I did have a piece of plywood I was gonna rip down for this project, but you know, this is gonna be so much easier just doing it with these boards. So this is a 1 by 10 by 12, this one on top here. If you know anything about lumber, you know that's not true at all. So it's actually a 3/4 of an inch by 9 1/4 board. And then I need to measure to see exactly how long it is, but that's really what I need now because I'm gonna be ripping it down. Behind it, can you see this beautiful piece of wood right here? This is what I'm gonna be putting on the top of the box. So then this is what it's actually gonna be sitting on. I'm gonna stain this. So the box itself is gonna be black. This is gonna be stained with like a pretty dark brown. And then we're gonna sit the black fireplace on top of this. And then the mantle is gonna be just like this with the same brown stain. So pretty. I cannot wait to see how it all comes together. Got my charging station going over there. All my tools. And my little mug. Look at that mug. Morgan got me that mug for Christmas. Is that not the cutest thing? Kane's mom, Branch's mom, Eve's mom. I love it. This is the cafe. So see how they built this bar, and this was a barn door that they made into the front of the counter, and they use these copper sheets right here just for accents on the end. And then they have the copper, the hammered like pendant lights up there. And then there's lots of this like pine color throughout. So that's why with the fireplace, this was white. So I had her paint it black, so it's a flat black, and this is the box that I built. The bottom of the box is gonna be black, and then the top of that wood is gonna be this same stain, and then we're gonna do the same thing on top. Say hello.
Hello. I'm going in.
I literally cannot figure out yet what I wanna do for this part of the wall. We're obviously gonna have like a big picture where we're gonna be covering, you know, that right there. But I definitely want to give this more height. The box is gonna lift up the fireplace, which is gonna be great, but we wanna have some more height for the whole space. Like when you walk in, this is the wall you see, because you know, the door's right there. So when you walk in, this is what you're looking at. And I want just the whole countertop and this to just pop. So I'm still trying to think of how we're going to do this, but stay tuned because we're gonna figure it out.